So good afternoon, good evening. We are back again. And we're going to talk about Bukayo Saka. Maybe not injured. We're not quite sure yet. There's rumours doing the rounds on the internet as I record this, which is 3:15 Spanish time. Apparently, he is injured. So, yeah, fingers crossed it's all a load of BS. But I've seen a couple of news articles about it, and it's not just Twitter talk, it's actually news articles as well. So, kind of mad. Before we get into talking about that, make sure you are smashing the like button. That would be great for the algorithm. Make sure you are subscribed if you're new. Nearly on 77.5k. Road to 100's flying this year already. Come on, big up to all of you. Donate if you feel free. Hit the thanks option. Always appreciate that. I will reply to you as well. Thank you very much. And yeah, it's looking kind of peak. I can't lie. William Saliba's injured apparently. Still haven't had any real update on that either, unless I've missed something. But all I keep seeing is, we're going to assess him more. What does that even mean? You know how long somebody's going to be out injured for. Like, just let us know. This is what winds me up sometimes with these football clubs. Is like, William Saliba went off in the game. Didn't look like anyone was near him. Didn't look like he'd been hurt. Just felt something in his back. So he's gone off. Well, we've then played Crystal Palace since. Well, we still don't know what's happened to him. And now we're in full international duty and we still don't know what's happened to him. Like, what is going on here? We want to know what's going on. Like, hopefully he ain't injured. Hopefully he's cool. But I don't know. I don't know whether this is mind games. I don't know what's going on, if I'm being completely honest. But the one thing I do know is he's a top centre-back. And we're going to need him for the running, that's for sure. Because if we're going with Rob Holding, I feel like we can kiss goodbye to the title. Cheers. Anyway, let's continue with Bukayo Saka. He was obviously kicked around all night against Italy the other night. Kicked off the park in the end. And yeah, apparently he's injured. So again, this is our star boy. This is our best player this season. This is the only player in the Premier League with double digits on GA. Right? Not that I'm an assist stat merchant. I couldn't care less, but it's a good season. It's a really good season. And he's in the running for Player of the Year, PFA Player of the Year, and for the Young Player of the Year award as well. So let's not forget how good Bukayo Saka's been. And if he is out injured, where are we going from here? And this is why I get the ump with these international games being played during the season. Play them at the end of the season. Yeah, play them at the end of the season. Stop fannying around, yeah, and like calling up all the players to go, and then it interrupts our football season when we could just keep going. Teams have got momentum, whatever. And now you get all your players leave and go to international duties from whatever countries they're from. And then half of them come back injured. It's ridiculous. It's absolutely insane. If you want to do that, go and do all the games at the end of the season. Yeah, I know they'll still get injured and you could miss the start of the season. But especially this time of the season, this is the best part of the season. You've worked all season to get yourself into a position to win a title. And now it's, we've got 2 weeks off. Why? It makes literally no sense to me whatsoever. Yeah, and they're pointless games. We know England are going to qualify for the Euros. We know we're going to qualify for a World Cup. We know we're going to qualify for all these other league games, like Conference League or whatever it's called. I don't even know what. Nations League, that's it. That's how interested I am in international football. Like, it's absolute dross. And the thing that winds me up with it is that it's literally, as soon as you get a bit of momentum, bang, international break. Bit of momentum, international break. September, the season's been going 3 weeks, international break. Why? October, international break. So you come back, you have another 4 games, international break. Why? Just scrap it, bin it, it's crap. Like, seriously. And these clubs, especially Arsenal, because I hope you're watching this, and I know they do watch, their social media team will be watching Trossard. And yeah, it's something that they need to listen to real quick. There he is, Trossard Dino, baby. But they do need to listen to what I'm about to say. Stop sending the players on international duty. You, as a club, pay their wages. Sorry, Saka, you're not going to England camp this week. Just tell them you're injured, mate. Who's paying his wages? I mean, Saka would probably love to play for England every single time. Of course he would. He wants to play football. That's his job. But at the same time, what would he rather? Stay fit and win a title, or go and play for England, get kicked all around against Italy, and then be out injured, and we might not win a title. Yeah, tough one that, Bukayo. Tough one that, mate. So yeah, if Arsenal are watching this, tell all of them, stop going on international break. It is a disgrace. It is rubbish. International football is so dead. I would literally rather watch the Bundesliga than watch England. And that is how bad it is. It's mad. Yeah, but listen, it is what it is. Yeah, hopefully he isn't injured. Hopefully he does come back fighting fit. And he is a tough lad. We've seen that all season. Been kicked rotten all season. Goes down holding his ankle. I mean, he was crying in one game the other week when they went down the back of his Achilles and he carried on playing the game. Can't remember what game that was. Was it Villa or Leicester or someone? Can't remember. Whatever game it was. But he is a strong lad and hopefully he's fine. But at the same time, these international breaks have got to stop. And if they want to do these internationals, do them all at the end of the season. Just do a 3-week period where they all go and play all the games. That's it. Done. Job done. Finished. Happy days. Eddie Nketiah has posted on social media an update, writing grafting with a muscle emoji, hashtag soon back. I don't know if he's got that back to front, but surely it's back soon. Soon back. Back soon. I don't know. All these hipsters and new school, like whatever. Down for the kids. He added another image on his Instagram story with a caption: rehab crew. Monster mentality, brain emoji, finger point emoji. Monster mentality, yeah, good one. Monster mentality that when he scored against Fulham with an empty stadium during COVID, in 95th minute, he ran around giving it that to an empty stadium. Monster mentality. Monster mentality. Bin him. Get rid. But yes, he's apparently back in rehab. Rehab crew. Soon back. Okay, soon back. We're not really going to need him, let's be honest. I'd start Reece Nelson over him in a heartbeat. Obviously, we've got Jesus back fighting fit now as well, by the looks of it. He's not gone on international duty, which is fantastical, which is perfect. And I'm looking forward to the game against Leeds. It seems like it's ages away, but it's only a week away. Like, it's literally, 1 week away from now, we'll be playing Leeds. So yeah, I'm kind of looking forward to that. I do want us to win. Obviously, Man City played Liverpool that day as well. And they played before us. So that we're going to know what we have to... Well, we have to win anyway. But we're going to know whether they've dropped points. And fingers crossed, the footballing gods need to be with us. We need Liverpool to get some points at the Etihad. And then we need to go and rack up the goal difference against Leeds United. But I'm looking forward to it. One thing I'm not looking forward to is all of the fallout in the next week of our players. We've got a lot of players on international duty. I mean, I've seen Zinchenko. I mean, I've never heard the guy speaking so much. Like, just chat. I keep seeing all these little quotes popping up as Zinchenko. It's mad. It's crazy. Apparently, he got a warning for his celebrations as well by the FA. Apparently, he loves celebrating with the fans when he drives past the pub. The Tollington, I think he was talking about. And bit of a passion merchant, this one, isn't he? Bit of a passion merchant. Good footballer. But yeah, fair play to him. Listen, when you're playing well, you can talk as much as you want. When you're not playing well, zip it. Don't want to hear from you. But at the moment, they're all playing great. So long may it continue. We're top of the table. I'm still very confident we'll win the league, whether Saka starts against Leeds or not. But I would rather Saka in that team because without him, it's going to be a little bit harder to win games consistently because he has scored the most goals. He has created the most assists. And yeah, it's kind of mad. It is what it is. But listen, let me know your thoughts and feelings on Bukayo Saka. Eddie Nketiah's monster mentality. Is that something you've bought into? Yeah, soon back, or is it back soon? Leave that down below. I'll be soon back. Do go and check out the video on the second channel, people. Link in the description. It's right under the title. Go and check that out. We spoke about the Tate brothers being detained for an extra 30 days. So go and check that one out. Let me know your thoughts and feelings on that. I'll be soon back tonight with another video talking about Declan Rice. A few other transfer bits in there as well. Keep your eyes peeled for that. But until then, I'm going to enjoy the sunshine. 31 degrees in sunny Andalusia today. my tan's gonna get topped up very soon, and we're out of here, people. Have a blessed day, man. Smash the like button, subscribe. Laters. Ciao. Adios, amigos.